Hi everybody, and welcome to True Ones, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you'll be all set. All right? Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up, and this is important on the YouTube platform, and it's where you guys come in. When you enjoy the content of a YouTuber, please take a second right underneath the video to give it a thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and supposedly YouTube then will take the videos like mine and put them in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet on this huge platform, but they do enjoy this type of content. So if you take a second to give me that thumbs up, I'm thanking you in advance. You're going to be helping me grow on the YouTube platform. All right. Today is a day where we're going to be going through and having a giveaway. And the giveaways on my channel are a little bit more unique and different than I've seen giveaways on a lot of other channels. How I have some duplicate products are because I do get a couple of Boxycharm base boxes and a couple of Boxycharm premium boxes. And that all started because when I started my channel, I was already a charmer, and I upgraded my base box to the Luxe during the Luxe months. But by having a channel, I wanted to make sure that not everybody upgraded to the Luxe, and I wanted to make sure on my channel that you would be able to still see the base box. So I decided to contact Boxycharm. They informed me that I had to have a second account for that. And when you have a second account, they don't communicate with each other, so there's a tendency that you might possibly get duplicate products when you have two separate accounts. I was only planning on keeping the base box open during the months of Luxe, and then Boxycharm changed and said they were going to start doing customization. So due to the fact that the customization choices were usually more than even the cost of the box, I decided to keep it, and then whatever duplicate items we were going to get, we would have it set aside for giveaways. That was how it started to work, and that's what I've been doing. So when we've had the opportunity to sit down and film a giveaway video, that's why on my channel I choose to do one product during the giveaway. And I wanted to do it because this way, simply that I wanted that if you didn't get this one product, then this is the giveaway that you would want to enter, as opposed to the giveaways that are so large that there's always going to be one or two products within there that you may want, but maybe the rest of them you already have. So I wanted to make sure to do the giveaways on our channel was solely when we got duplicate items, and especially if they were palettes. And the one that I could not wait to do, because I knew this was going to be a duplicate because I also get two premiums, was this Ofra palette that was made exclusively for Boxycharm, and it is beyond stunning. So this is the new one. I did open her up to make sure that everything was in there that should be in there. The plastic shield, everything is perfect, everything is great. What I am going to be showing you is one that I have and that I've swatched on my channel when I did the unboxing of this. This palette was in the January 2021 premium box, and like I said, this was made exclusively with Ofra and Boxycharm. But what's really unique about this palette is it's also set up very similar to a Z palette. Where you see these little holes in here, you will then be able to replace it and put other products of the same size within that. So even if you want to rearrange these products, you can do that if they're the same size within this area too. I'm going to be swatching this for you guys, so if you haven't seen this, you'll be able to see what this is all about. And then I'm going to share with you how easy it is to be part of the giveaway and the opportunity to possibly win on my channel a giveaway. So this is the palette that we're talking about here. This beautiful saying inside here says, "Smile, you are beautiful," which I think is really, really nice. When I swatched these, I was so impressed with how smooth and how beautiful these were. I was only familiar with the highlighter palettes, which I loved from Ofra. I never had the opportunity to try their eyeshadows or blushes and bronzers. So this one really, really intrigued me, and I have not been disappointed. So when I fall in love with something and I get the duplicate, I cannot wait to film a giveaway video in reference to it. So I never know when this video is going to go up, because it's so hard to plan the dates of when things are going to come in, because if something, you know, new pops up, I want to make sure to get that out to you guys first so you guys can get them. But I always try to film when I get a duplicate palette, the giveaway video, so that we have it set up so that we can always just get ready to give it to you guys. The bronzer in this one is it looks so dark, and this is why I wanted to swatch this for you. So I was a little bit afraid of this, but it's not coming out dark at all. So it's one that I've had to dip in a couple of times just to even get it to show up as a swatch for you guys. So do not be afraid of any of the colors, because they are so buildable and they are so vibrant. They are just beautiful. So this, like I said, is a palette that I could not wait to sit down and swatch it and show you guys, so that you guys would be able to know if this is something that you wanted. And even if you already got one for yourself and you wanted to, you know, enter the giveaway so you can give one to a friend, no one's judging. This is, you know, to give back to my subscribers. So however, you know, if you got it, great. If you want to give it to a friend, that's fine. Everything is just perfect. The only thing is with us here is we're only set up because I ship through our company, which is Improving Lifestyles, and it's only set up currently to ship throughout the USA. So I'm going to try to remember to tell you everything that you need to know in reference to my giveaways, but whatever I don't say on camera, it will be in the description box right underneath. So I want to make sure that you guys always check the description box for the rules. So if I don't mention it as I'm filming, because as you know, I don't edit here, I talk directly to you guys. So sometimes if I forget something, I put it in the description box down below. All right. So the first thing is the US only. The second thing is that you need to follow me on Instagram. And my name on Instagram is True Wants with the number 2, as well as our company Improving Lifestyles. So that's really important, because in the comments down below, I'd love you guys to write that you want to be entered in the Ofra palette giveaway with your Instagram name. This way, once you are chosen, what ends up happening is we will put it within your comment here that you won, and you should be getting an email, you know, from YouTube that, you know, you were chosen. But what I also do as a second safety is I contact you through direct message on your Instagram, and then we then in turn on Instagram finalize via email your address, and then you'll know that it's coming from Improving Lifestyles. So you just have to make sure in the comment that you mark that you want to be entered. And if you don't want to be entered, do not leave me a comment. Please share in the comments also if you've received this palette and if you're enjoying it, and what's your favorite Ofra product, because I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try more from this line. So if you're interested in being part of the giveaway, just make sure to write enter me with your Instagram name. We will check to make sure that you are following us on Instagram on True Wants too, as well as Improving Lifestyles, and your account has to be public. I have a very quick video that I will leave linked down below also to help you make your account public if you're not, because we just need to verify all those 3 things. And if we can't find you, or if we're having any difficulty, I try to check all that before the day of the that we're going to be pulling out the winner, to make sure that you guys have the opportunity to know ahead of time if we're having trouble finding that you've missed some of the rules, all right, to be able to win as a winner. Okay. And the last thing is the date where this will be closing will be linked down below also, because like I said, I filmed this, but I'm never sure when it's going to go up, and I always want to give it enough time, that because not everybody can watch my videos exactly when they come out, and I understand that. And sometimes a lot of us catch up on videos, me included, sometimes in the evenings or on the weekends and things like that. So I try to leave it open for a little bit longer so that you guys can all have the opportunity to sign yourself up for it. So once again, this is the Ofra palette giveaway. This is what this giveaway is going to be all about, and it is called the Good to Go, and it is a mini mix palette, and my understanding is this was made exclusively for Boxycharm. And that's everything that I wanted to share with you in today's video. So once again, the one that I swatched is the one that I own. The other one here has not been swatched. It only was opened up it was never sealed, but it was opened up to make sure that everything was in good condition and to make sure the safety shield is in the one that you guys are going to be receiving. All right. As always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I want everybody to continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Good luck to everyone who enters. Bye for now.